That is a monster, bro.
I know, that's a real good one.
Got him! Yes, sir.
First one of the day, guys.
Look at this.
What's going on, guys? We are back on Lake Guntersville today. I'm out here on the boat with Andrew Nordbye again.
What's up, guys?
He has got us on a, where are we at?
We are kind of on a main lake off pocket. I don't even know if that makes sense. It's early, guys. We're on a pocket.
It's super
right
early.
off main lake. The shad should be spawning.
Yeah, and the water temperature's just right for the shad. It's a great flat all the way around here. You see what he's throwing.
Don't chatterbait.
He's gonna see if he can get a couple on the boat first thing this morning. I am too. We're gonna have a little challenge this morning. We're gonna challenge ourselves to see if we can catch 20, was it 20?
20 bass.
At least 10 bass a piece, so 20 bass. We're gonna try to put them on the boat today. Hopefully we can do it. Stay tuned, guys.
There's one.
Yeah. Come over here. That is a monster, bro.
I know, that's a real good one.
Got him!
Give me some.
Yes, sir.
First one of the day, guys.
Look at this.
Tubs.
Wow.
Tubs. He crushed it. Hooked a wacky rig Senko in between these grass mats. Look at that. That thing is fat.
That looks pre-spawn almost.
I think this one might be pre-spawn, dude. I don't even know.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I was putting chapstick on. I couldn't tell if...
Did you get a bite?
Yeah, I think I got one on right now.
Well, look at nice.
Got him.
Let's go.
He's a dink! He's a dink!
Hey, that's a kayak size.
What is this, Andrew? This is not Lake Guntersville.
Hey, I can only put you on.
What do you think about this, guys? Look at this monster. I'll take him. I'll take him because this guy.
First one of the day.
This is my first one of the day. Maybe if I hold him like this, what do you think, guys? Is he huge? Hey, I think I've got you beat on that one.
I caught one your size. I think he is smaller than me.
I think he is
Maybe.
too. Right, hooked up again. This is 3 for you on this one spot. Yeah, that's a decent fish.
It ain't too bad. Nothing like that 4.
All right.
Get it.
Got him.
Nice.
Oh, he feels like a good one. Oh, come on. Man, look how clear this water is.
It's so clear. You can see that fish for a mile.
Can we see? I wonder if you can see it on camera. Look at that, guys. Look how clear this is.
Good.
I'll flip him. Look at this. So clear.
Beautiful. That's beautiful, man. That's a 2-pounder.
Yes, sir. We got...
Good job. Good job.
What number is this?
Number 5. Number 5.
There we go. That's a good, what, pound and a half, you think?
Yeah. I think he's probably 1 3/4, 2 pounds.
Andrew's hooked up.
There you go. Here's my Senko.
Nice one, man. Nice one.
Not bad.
Man, so clear. Look at this, y'all.
So beautiful,
Look
guys.
at that.
Oh, love it. Grass mass. There's the hydrilla we're talking about. That's what hydrilla looks like right there. And this is what eelgrass looks like right there. Both of them on the same cast. They're just mixed together. These fish are loving it.
Andrew's hooked up.
Yeah, that's a decent one. I haven't even seen it.
Oh, yeah. He's nice. He's nice. Which side do you want me? Oh, my goodness. That's a nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, my God.
Come on, buddy. Through all this grass, 8-pound test is all you need, guys. You get more.
Boom!
You get more bites.
Yeah, pull him out of that basket.
Go.
Look at that. Holy
That's
cow.
4. That's another 4, guys. Another one. Look at that. All that hydrilla, 8-pound test. Getting more bites because I'm using lighter line. What pound test line you using?
12.
12. 8, guys. Clear water.
Oh,
Fish.
love it, man. Love it.
Go. Work our way up the road just a little bit. We have a good bit. In 5-10 minutes, we head to that side of that point.
I'm good. Whatever you want to do.
And we'll go over the point that we fished, where I saw this fish swimming on the shells. That's always something. You got one?
Yeah, I think it's a dink though. He's got me in the grass.
Yeah, he does.
He's out. He's out. He's swimming at me now. He's a little bit better.
There you go.
Hooked up, guys.
Look, he's quick.
Yeah, I switched the hook.
Smaller hook, switch the worm. Call one.
Look at that.
Good job.
Thank you, sir. All right, guys, so here is number 11. What do you think, Andrew?
Good one.
We're good to go. How many is
That worm's the deal.
9 more to go?
Tiny hook. That's the deal.
Let's try out the old Scott Martin. Ready? I'm getting better at it.
A lot better spots than.
Got it.
Good one?
Yeah, got him on the. No, well, he's decent. Oh, he's fixing to be.
All the grass.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of that grass. There we go. Come on out of there.
There you go.
Head shaker. Come on up. Come on up. Oh, it is decent, man. Let me reel in on him some more. All right.
Nice.
I'm in love with these hooks.
He's a keeper.
I'm in love with these hooks. What'd you say these hooks are?
Katana hooks. The drop shot hooks. They're really good for using on wacky spinning rig, but they have a really good wacky hook for a bait caster too. It's actually called their wacky hook, which if the water wasn't so clear, I'd be throwing it on a bait caster because I'm not a spinning gear guy.
Here it is, guys. It looks very different than a traditional hook. Just like it right there. And you seen it was hooked right in the roof of the mouth, just where you want it.
Good one.
Nice fish, man.
Yeah.
What's that, number 12?
12.
Yep. Let me get the net. Which side do you want me on? I got a line in right here.
He said how big he is. He's been behind grass the whole time.
Oh, he's a good one.
He ain't bad.
He's a good one. All right.
Let's go.
Good job, bro. Check
he
it
ain't
out.
no 4, but yep, number 13.
Number 13. Lucky 13.
Let's go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. All right. See. There must be a hot spot over here because when we came in there,
Oh, yes, sir. Back to back. Good one, net. Nice one, nice one.
Thank you, thank you.
There he goes. Oh, man. The tanks. Get him over here.
He's a coming.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, he went under. Don't come off. Don't come off. Got him.
Let's go.
Tank, Nordbye. Tank, bro. What is that? 3, 3.5, 4?
3. He's heavy. There's good ones.
Nordbye is just real. Oh, giants.
Another one. Oh, he's getting diving deep. Diving deep. Let's go.
Oh, bro. Are you kidding me, man? This is why I came out here with you.
Let's go.
This is it.
Man, my camera overheated. You guys aren't getting my third-person view here anymore. But number 16. That's actually going to be my last cast, guys. I'm going to call it with him right there.
He's old bug eye. He's got a bad eye. Look at him.
Wow, check that out. Look at these guys. Bad eye. That's sweet. One good eye, one bad eye.
That's a good one, man. That's over 4, you think?
Yeah, he's a 4.
Heck yeah, man. Bro.
Let's go.
All right, guys, well, that is going to do it for this video. My outro clip actually fried out on me. The audio didn't record for some reason. But as you can see right here, we released all of those big bass right back where we caught them. We just saved them in the live well so we could take some good pictures for our Instagram. So go check out our Instagram if you want to see those pictures. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go check out Fishing with Nordbye. I'm going to link his info in the video description. Yeah, give us a subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.